story.
Yeah, tell me a sad story.
Once
Lucy, tell me a sad story.
upon a time there's a moon.
Tell me a sad one.
No, it's about a moon who actually has no friends.
Oh, tell me more.
Okay. One day there was a moon who had no friends.
Oh,
And he didn't have anyone to play with.
Ronan, sit down.
Anyone to do anything.
oh, that's awful.
He didn't want to do anything because it just sat there all night.
Oh, I can't bear any more. Don't tell me. I'm so sad.
It went to the park.
That'll do that.
Everyone went
Whoa!
away.
Stop it.
And then
No.
Yay! Well done, Michael. You have hidden talents. Hidden talents.
No.